the bus is late again. I hate waiting here.
It is okay, Tom. It is only 5 minutes late.
But I am very busy. I have no time for anything.
What do you want to do today?
I want to study English, but I need 2 hours for that.
2 hours? That is a very big plan.
Yes, I never have 2 hours, so I just look at my phone.
Are you learning English on your phone now?
No, I'm just watching funny cat videos.
Oh, Tom, you are meeting a time thief.
A time thief? What is that?
It is something that steals your time, like social media.
You're right. I feel tired after I watch these videos.
Look at me. I'm using my pocket time to learn.
Pocket time? What do you mean?
Think of time like small coins. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there.
So waiting for the bus is like a small coin.
Exactly. Do not throw the coin away. Use it.
But what can I do in only 5 minutes?
You can make a tiny plan. Don't say, I will study for hours.
What should I say instead?
Say, I will learn 3 new words while I wait.
3 words? That sounds like a piece of cake.
It is. When you have a small goal, you don't feel stressed.
I see. It's like a GPS. I need a clear address.
Yes, study English is too vague. Learn 3 words is clear.
Okay, I want to try. Do you have a notebook?
I have one right here. Do you want to see my words for today?
Yes, please. Oh, these are good words.
Now you are investing your time, not wasting it.
I feel better already. I'm not angry at the bus now.
You are right. The bus is here and I already learned 2 words.
See? You don't need 2 hours. You just need a tiny plan. Thank you, Sarah.
Tomorrow I will bring my own notebook.
That is a great idea. Let's get on the bus. Elena, my head hurts. I think I am going crazy.
Oh no, why? Are you okay?
I am trying to learn all these grammar rules. They are so difficult.
That book looks very thick and boring.
Mark, it is. But I want to speak perfect English, so I must study it.
But you look very unhappy. You're pushing yourself too much.
I feel like a child being shouted at. Do it perfectly. Don't make mistakes.
That is the problem. Your brain hates constant stress.
But I must work hard every minute. I don't want to waste my life.
If English feels like a punishment, you will want to run away from it.
So what should I do? I need to learn.
You need to.
Maria, do you have a minute? I want to ask you something.
Of course, James. What is on your mind?
I feel down in the dumps. I study every day, but I don't feel perfect.
Why do you want to be perfect? No one is perfect, James.
I know, but I want to use my time. Well, I don't want to waste it.
You are not wasting it. You are investing your time.
Investing? Like with money?
Yes. When you listen to a podcast or read a page, you put time, money into your future.
I like that, but sometimes I forget the words I learn.
That is okay. You just need a routine.
A routine like brushing my teeth?
Exactly. My morning routine is wake up, make coffee, and listen to English.
Do you do that every single day?
Yes. Even if I am busy, I do it for 10 minutes.
10 minutes doesn't feel like a lot of work.
It is not about a lot. It's about doing it all.
Hi, Linda. You look a bit stressed today.
Hello, Robert. I am. I have so much work to do.
What are you working on right now?
I'm checking my emails. Oh, wait.
What happened?
A message from my sister and a news alert about a movie.
Ah, I see. You are very distracted.
Yes. Every 2 minutes, my phone makes a sound. Ding.
Linda, those sounds are time thieves.
Time thieves? That is a funny name.
It is true. They steal your focus and give you nothing back.
I feel like I'm driving in circles. I'm not getting anywhere.
That is because your plan for the hour is too vague.
Vague? What does that mean?
It means it isn't clear. You are trying to do everything at once.
You're right. I'm in the same boat as everyone else.
We all have this problem, but you can protect your time.
How? I cannot throw my phone in the trash. I need it.
You don't have to throw it away. Just lock the door.
Lock the door? But we're in an office break room.
No, I mean lock the door to your brain.
Oh, do you mean I should turn off the notifications?
Exactly. For 1 hour, you must be intentional.
Intentional? That means doing something on purpose, right?
Yes, put your phone in your bag. Work for 60 minutes.
But what if someone calls me for an emergency?
Most things can wait for 1 hour. You need to be your own coach.
My own coach. I like that. A coach is helpful, not mean, right?
A coach helps you stay on track and finish the job.
Okay, I will try it right now. Phone goes into the bag.
Good. Now, what is your tiny goal for this hour?
I will finish this one report. Just one, no emails, no news.
That is a perfect, clear address for your GPS.
Thanks, Robert. I feel more in control of my life now.
You're welcome. Now I will leave so you can focus.
Great. Let's talk again at lunch.
See you then. Good luck with your report.
Thanks. I'm starting my 60 minutes now.
I am so tired today.
Lily, did you work too much at the office?
No, that is the problem.
What do you mean?
I did nothing all afternoon.
Did you have a good rest?
No, I just sat on my sofa and looked at my phone.
Did you feel bored?
Worse, I felt a little sad and empty.
I think I know why you feel that way.
Why? Is it because I'm lazy?
No, you feel like your time is disappearing.
Yes, exactly. I look at the clock and 2 hours are gone.
It's like sand in your hands.
Sand? That is a strange idea.
Think about it. Imagine you are holding sand.
Okay, my hands are full of sand.
Now open your fingers just a little.
The sand just falls down to the ground and you cannot pick it up again. It's gone.
That is a very sad picture, Lily.
It is, but think about this water instead.
Your water bottle?
Yes, imagine this water is your time for today.
Okay, I'm listening.
If I pour this water on the grass, can I drink it later?
No, the grass drinks it. The bottle is empty.
That is what you are doing with your time.
I'm pouring my time water on the grass.
Yes, because you do not have a tiny plan.
I feel a lot of regret about that.
Regret is a clear sign, Sam.
A sign that I'm wasting my life?
No, it's a sign that you want to do better.
I need to be more down to earth about my day.
Yes, be realistic. Don't try to do 1,000 things.
I will drink my time water slowly and carefully today.
That is a beautiful way to say it.
I don't want to feel empty anymore.
Then use your next 10 minutes for something good.
I will. I want to walk to the library and find a book.
That is a great use of your water.
Let's make a move before the library closes.
Good idea. I will walk with you.
Thank you, Lily. You are a very wise friend.
Hello?
Hello.
Are you paying with cash?
Yes, here is $20.
Thank you. The total is $12.50. Here is your change, $5.50.
Excuse me, I think that is not correct.
Really? Yes, that should be correct.
No, I gave you a $20 bill.
Yes, and the price is $12.50.
Then the change should be $7.50.
Are you sure?
Yes, look, $20 minus $12.50.
Okay, let me look in the cash register.
Please, I counted it carefully.
You are right. I am missing $2.
Thank you. It was just a small mistake.
I'm sorry. With so many coins, it happens sometimes.
It's okay, but you have to be careful.
Of course. Thank you for telling me.
Can I get a bag?
Yes, it costs 10 cents.
Here you go.
Okay, so here is $7.40 back.
Perfect. Now everything is correct.
Are you from here or are you visiting?
I am visiting from Austin.
Ah, Austin, a very nice city.
Yes, but I like Chicago very much too.
Then have fun here in the city.
Thank you, and thanks for checking the money.
No problem. Thank you for your patience. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, I think you are in my seat.
Oh, I don't think so. My ticket is for the window, seat 16B.
Wait, my ticket says 16A, and 16A is the window seat.
That's strange. I always thought B was the window seat.
No, A is always the window, B is the middle seat, C is the aisle.
Oh my goodness, you are right. My ticket does say 16B, and 16B is the middle seat.
I am so sorry. I wanted the window, so I just assumed this seat was B. I made a mistake.
No problem. It is an easy mistake.
I will move right now.
Thank you.
Well, I guess you have the best view today.
Thank you. Have a good flight. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we going?
To the Lake Hotel, please, on Lake Street.
All right, here we go.
Excuse me, this street doesn't go to the lake.
No, I'm taking another route. There is less traffic.
I thought Main Street was faster.
Not today. There is construction on Main Street.
Is this way longer?
A little longer, but it is much faster.
Okay, I don't want to pay too much more.
Don't worry, it is only a small difference.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Good, I trust you.
Thank you. I know the city very well.
Do you drive a taxi for a long time?
Yes, for 12 years.
Then you know all the streets.
Exactly. And I also know good restaurants.
Oh, interesting.
I recommend the Harbor Restaurant. Very good fish.
Great, I love fish.
And the vegetables there are delicious too.
Perfect, I will try it.
Look, there's the lake.
Are we almost there?
Yes, 3 more streets.
Your route was much better.
See? No traffic. Thanks for the ride.
That is $9, please. Here is $10. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Very nice. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye. Good evening.
Good evening.
Welcome to the Lakeview Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, for today, under the name Thomas Meyer.
One moment. I cannot find your name in the system.
Are you sure? I booked it online 2 weeks ago.
Yes, I looked, but nothing is here.
I have the confirmation email right here on my phone.
May I see it?
Of course. Look. Today's date, a double room for 3 nights.
Yes, but I do not see a reservation number.
Yes, it is at the bottom of the email.
Ah, yes, you are right. Let me search again.
Thank you.
Still nothing. This must be an error from the website.
So what do we do now?
We can give you an available room for the same price.
Is it also a double room?
Yes, a double room with a view of the lake.
Perfect. That is what I booked.
The price is $80 per night.
Yes, that is the same price as my reservation.
Very good. I will keep that rate. For the apology, I will also give you free breakfast.
Thank you very much. That is very nice.
Would you also like access to the spa?
Is that included?
No, that costs $10 per day.
Then no thank you.
Here's the key for room 305.
What floor is that?
On the 3rd floor, at the end of the hallway.
Very good.
If you need anything, please call the front desk.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Of course. Thank you for your patience. Have a nice evening.